Always have game plan A, B, C, D, E. Honestly, you just never know what's going to happen. People's kids get sick. Machines don't arrive on time. Flights get delayed. And if you're able to pivot while you're on the road, you're just going to be much more efficient. And frankly, you just never know what's going to happen. Fun fact, I went to New Zealand on my honeymoon with my husband, and about 75% of that trip was on the points that I collected from my loyalty rewards. So pick an airline, pick a hotel, pick a car rental, and be loyal to them. When you're on the road, you're away from your family and your friends, and the benefit of that is that you get the opportunity to travel and use those points. The open road. One of the most amazing parts about what I do is that I get the ability to explore this beautiful country. And there's a lot of places that I have visited throughout my career that I probably would never have had the opportunity to visit if I wasn't a road warrior. The other really amazing thing about what I do is the people that I get to meet. I've met some phenomenal people over the last 15 years, and one of my favorite stories is one time I was flying back from Boston and I sat next to a world-renowned scientist. He was extraordinarily smart, and it was really a cool experience.